Hello everybody and welcome. I am in my new blue Y. The name is Neutrino. Well, at least this week it's Neutrino. I will be heading today all the way towards Huntsville, Alabama and the Huntsville Hamfest. But this trip's going to be a little bit different than the other trips. I'm going to stop at you-know-where. Yep, that's correct. I'm stopping in Marietta, Georgia at AP3. This car needs to be wrapped with paint protection film, ceramic on the outside, and I'm also going to get some clear thermal protection for the windshield and the 4 passenger windows. This will help in deterring any heat from coming into the cabin, and it should make a big difference. The Rivian did a fine job. I had it done in the Rivian and it worked just fine. We're leaving at 32%, but it doesn't matter. I will be getting an overnight stay at Greg's house. He lives down in the town of Greer. We're going to stay there, get up at the crack of dawn, and get on the road at 5 a.m. We need to be in Marietta by 9 a.m. So that should be a good run in the morning. All right, I'm loading up the car with stuff to sell at the Hamfest. A Hamfest is a flea market for amateur radio operators, sure to please anybody electronic. And I'm getting the heck out of here. I am mobile, yes I am. I'm here on Highway 14, headed southwest. Headed to Greg's. Matt, our buddy, is there. We're going to go grab something to eat and then head back to Greg's, spend the night, and get up at the crack of dawn and head south.
The next day.
Hello and good morning. Yes, we are all packed up here in the blue Y. Greg's just about coming out. We're topping it up here, 318 miles, and we're out of here. I think we're good to go. Look at that, AP3. 27% on arrival. We get there at 8:23 a.m. We're supposed to be there by 9. It's 3 hours and 12 minutes, 174 miles. We are leaving with 320 miles of range. We are good. Let's just for fun see what that is in percentage. 97%. I charged to 90, then punched it up to 100 when I got moving this morning. We're good to go. Let's hit it. Here we are, two old crazy guys. It is 5:12 a.m. We're headed to AP3. Are you ready for this, Brother Greg?
This is a brand new adventure. We have never done this before.
Oh, so. Yeah. This month.
This month. Here we go again.
All right, let's go. We're mobile, Interstate 85. We're heading down the road here, and we are headed to Marietta, Georgia. Time, 5:34 a.m. Do an energy check, 33% on arrival. Normally increases, that's cool. We're continuing down Interstate 85, arrival now at 8:18 a.m. 86 miles to go. Sun's coming up behind us. Let's do an energy check here. It's like 59 miles to destination now. Arrival percentage at 34%. I think we're doing fine. 8:18 on arrival. Welcome to Atlanta. Now go home. Yeah, we're still on time. It's the fastest route. So we'll get there before 9, I hope. Let's have an Atlanta traffic update. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, we're getting off the highway. Hallelujah. Getting close. 2 miles. Actually, 2.7. We're getting close now. There's our destination on the nav, 0.7 miles. This is Canton Road, kind of an offshoot of the highway. a quarter of a mile now. It'll be up on our right. Got a nice sign out front. See if I can zoom in on it. It's that one that says AP3.
Now your destination is on the right.
Yeah, there it is. All right, we turn it right here. There we go. Dang, it looks like we beat everybody here today.
That's the rush.
What the heck?
Dead.
Yeah, it's supposed to be here at 9, so.
I know.
See, they got power out front, but no wall connectors. That's right. We'll just back it in right here.
Juice.
Oh yeah, no, we're all good.
Just hang out. They'll show up eventually.
Man, it must be nice to get to work and shoot. We came all the way from South Carolina, and
Yeah, we beat them here.
we beat everybody here. What the heck? All right. We made it. Let's check our trip data here now. Go ahead and put it in park. Let's have a look at the trips. All right, let's have a look at the trips. Look at that, 176 miles. We used 47 kilowatt hours of energy at a rate of 265. That's about 75 miles an hour the whole way. The trip to the Hamfest here is 216. That's from my house. All right, we're going to turn the car over here to AP3, and we're going to go rent a car to continue our trip to Huntsville today. And here's a fun fact. Remember it said it was going to arrive at 34%? They calculate pretty well here in the Tesla. I think you can pretty well rely on the arrival percentage. I know I have. And everybody's hard at work. Drop the Model Y off and we'll pick it up Monday. Well, you wouldn't believe it. Our sedan turned into a Ford F-150 fossil fuel vehicle. It feels like it's missing. Yeah, those not terms you hear at an EV. The engine's rough here. And we're right next to a Ford place too. Anyway, there you go. We're going to set up the nav using 2010 CarPlay because that's all we have. We're using wireless CarPlay here now on our Ford F-150. I think it's a 23, but I'm not sure. Anyway, it's got 8,077.9 miles on it. We're going to set our destination, which is Huntsville, Alabama. Let's go. So here we are in the rented fossil fuel Ford F-150. And we're now northbound on Interstate 75. We get off on exit 306. That takes us to Adairsville and then up over the mountains to Huntsville. It's about 3 hours, 167 miles, I think Google said. We're running Apple CarPlay here from the year of 2010. It's the only navigation that's functional here in this vehicle. So there you go. I gotta show you. Watch this. Bing bong. Bing. Oh, no. It went over the line. The lane keeping failed. All right, come on. It's supposed to be lane keeping. Keep it in the lane. Here it goes. Let's see if it works. Come on. Oh, there it is. Okay, there's the correction. All right, here we go. Is it going to make it around this corner? No, barely. Okay, wait. Are we getting around this corner? Here we go. Going to get pulled over for drunk driving. Okay. All right, got my hand on the wheel. No, they were over here. Oh, ping pong off the left side.
The guy behind us
is going, holy crap, what's this guy on? Drunk or something? He's going, I'm getting the heck by you guys.
Damn drunk drivers.
Well, I have to admit, I think I'm going to ditch my Tesla autopilot for the Ford F-150 lane keeping here. Up, back to the right. Up, I caught it. Here we go. Where's it going? To the left. Here we go. Oh, and bang to the right. And he picks up the ball to the left, and we go to the right. Yeah, no. I think I'll keep my Tesla autopilot a lot.
I think you might keep
Wow.
your hand on.
This is the junk you got to put up with here when you put fossil fuel in your car. Yeah, look at that. $57, 16 gallons.
planning when to have a family.
That's $57 I'll never get back. At least we have a full tank here of dino juice. And hopefully it'll stay that for the whole trip here. We'll see how that goes. Anyway, we're heading over to grab some breakfast. We hadn't had any real breakfast. Greg made us some banana bread, which was great. But I'm starving. So anyway, we're heading over to a place called Cracker Barrel. We just had a lunch at Cracker Barrel, and we're now mobile again. We're on Highway 140, is it? 140. Yeah, and then we're going to turn on to Highway 27. We're going to oscillate back and forth on different highways until we get to Huntsville. We're going over the, I don't know what you call this here, a ridge, maybe? I think it is, by the river. So, it should be an interesting run here. Taken it many times. Dirt designs. Designs in the dirt. Hey, Greg, do you got a banjo on your knee?
I wish I did. I'd be playing it now.
Well, I hope so, because we just got into the state of Alabama.
Nothing but corn.
Corn as far as we can see so far. I'm sure that won't hold.
No.
We're going down a ridge right now. We're going to end up going along a river here. 82 miles from Huntsville. We're getting there. We're getting close to Huntsville now. Not sure what river this is. Maybe the Tennessee River. I'll have to look it up, but I'll put it here on the screen. We go over the top here, as you can see. Pretty cool. Upriver. Yes, we are here in Huntsville, Alabama. We're selling, so we got in early. All the vendors are setting up here. We'll do a table by table review in a little bit. This is setup day Friday. Everybody is arriving, putting all their stuff on their tables. The manufacturers are all up here front. So we'll check it out.